is different than a regular gym membership because every client we work with gets such an individualized program.
Physical therapy doesn't always reach the patient's goals. Patient's goals may be to exercise for wellness, whereas physical therapy just gets them to walk functionally. So there's a gap in the spectrum, and Strive will fill that gap.
Patients who go to Strive can return to their previous job or sports at a higher level than they were before they were injured.
I started off with Ron and Susan probably about 9 years ago. They both were pretty deconditioned. Lots of knee pain, back pain, definitely could not get in and out of a chair comfortably, and they were really worried about travel and things that they want to do in retirement and whether or not they were going to be physically capable of doing that.
Tina's so good at improving our fitness at this age, but not making us sore and discouraged.
Physical training was not our profession, and I think you can get into trouble if you try to do too much or the wrong things on your own. So it's really beneficial to have somebody like Tina and the other people around here to guide you.
This is my 74th birthday today, and I am in the best shape I have ever been in my life.
I first met Joan from a referral from Dr. Potter. As a longtime dancer, she has suffered many injuries, from ankle injuries to knee injuries and even to severe back injury that's really kept her from dancing professionally.
As I was about to turn 50, I was noticing that I was moving more carefully and that my body was vulnerable to injury because I had been losing muscle mass.
After working with Strive over the last few years, her strength gains and core development is really off the charts.
It has given me the chance to extend my career quite a bit further than I think I would have been able to had I not started doing this.
I would rather be investing in exercise than in medical treatment for not having exercised.
There's no other place that you can put your money that has the same kind of payoff.